Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do a GFX on mobile. First things first, you will need Roblox, obviously, you'll need PicsArt, and you'll need Colortone. First things first, go into the video description and then go to that Google Drive link. Go download for you a background that I personally made for you guys. Choose one, but if you don't like any of the colors, comment down below what color you want and I'll make one for you so you can use that. Now, first you want to go into Roblox. Sadly, you can't use Blender. Blender is used for rigging your avatar, you can choose which avatar you want. But sadly, mobile doesn't have Blender, so I'm gonna try and make this for you, a tutorial for mobile users. Go to search and search GFX Studio, and it will appear. Oh, sorry, I misspelled. GFX Studio. And the first one right here, this one is what you want. Just click play. Make sure your graphics is full. I'll show you now. You go to this Roblox icon. Go to settings. Your graphics quality are probably in automatic, but go to manual and put it all the way up. Wait for everything to load. Once it's loaded, sorry, this is laggy since the graphics are up. But yeah, once it's loaded, do a cute wave and use photo mode. Size it and take a screenshot. Size it and crop it how you want it. This is perfect, and click download. Put your graphics down so it will be less laggy. Perfect. If you want, you can use these room models to do it, but I highly don't recommend not to use these room models. It's not how I'm gonna do in this video, but if you want to, feel free to take a screenshot with you and these room models, but you already have a background so you won't need these. Next, you want to go into Colortone, and then you want to open up the screenshot you have. There we go, the screenshot's open. Go here in this icon right there, click on it, tap, whatever, and then choose the filter you want. I recommend the pop filter. It's a nice filter. Export it. There we go. And now you want to go in PicsArt. Click on the plus button. Go to your filtered version of it. X. Now, if you have premium, say remove background, and it will remove the green screen for you, even though it's a little bit over here, but we'll fix that. If you don't have premium, we can do it without the green, so it's gonna take a long time, so let's get to it. You have to say cutout, use the brush, and only draw on your avatar. So put it on hardness to 100 and draw on your avatar. export your character and then go back to PicsArt and then import the background you download. I'll be using my pink one I have, so I'm gonna click on my pink one, add your character, say add photo, click on the character. Oh shoot, sorry. Try again. Size it. And then you go to border. Oops, sorry. Yep, you go. First, you're gonna just border it real quickly. Select the check mark. Blend it a bit. Oh wait, no, don't blend it. Just put it on the wall. Great. So now that you have that, you can add the text if you want. I'm just gonna put in Harm. It's my nickname. Color your text to the matching of the background. I don't see it in my text. I'm just gonna create the pink. There we go. Stroke it. Put it how you want it. Okay, I'm just gonna change the character. The text color. There you go. And now you can add stickers. So I'm just going to add some pink stickers. I don't want to add too much. It's not showing for you guys. I don't know why. Probably for copyright reasons, but that's fine. Just gonna add some hearts here. I searched up pink on the sticker searching, so if you want the same stickers, you can. I'm gonna use this to cover up here, and now we're gonna export it. And the finished result looks like this. Congratulations, you just did a GFX on mobile. I know it's not like the best one that these looks, but these are sadly on PC. I can't make one for you on mobile. You can't make one on mobile without the dial type. But I tried my best to explain and make it look closely as possible as what it looks like there. But yeah, I kind of think it looks good for mobile. Mobile isn't that bad. You just have to get creative, and if you have more ideas to add your GFX and if you get creative, it's probably possible to make it look like these. But I don't know, probably impossible. But I showed you what I could do. Like I said, comment down below if you want a different color background, and I would make one for you and link it down below for you. I won't respond like fast probably, because I'll be doing other things in orders, stuff like that, but I'll see if I can get to it. But thank you so much for watching. This took a long time to make this video since I had to make the backgrounds too. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you subscribing since we are so close to 500 subscribers, and I really can't wait for that community tab. That's what I always wanted. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.